The twins have grown and grown and grown. They changed from tiny pink newborns to big, furry, robust cubs. Over the first 25 days, the cubs develop their black and white markings, grow a full coat of fur, and gain weight rapidly. It has been amazing to watch them change and develop for the first 100 days of their lives, and this is only the beginning.
Di Indonesia, kijang dikenal juga sebagai menjangan atau kidang. Kidang atau menjangan berkaki 4 dengan kaki depan sedikit lebih kecil daripada kaki belakang. Tubuhnya berukuran sedang dengan panjang tubuh termasuk kepala sekitar 89 hingga 135 cm.
Punah. Beruang kutub dianggap sebagai spesies yang menjadi perhatian khusus di bawah spesies at Risk Act atau SARA Kanada. WWF memperkirakan ada 20.000 sampai 25.000 beruang kutub di seluruh dunia.
Polar rabbit. This is a species of hare which is adapted largely to polar and mountainous habitats. As the name suggests, duh. Arctic hares are hardly like the cute, fuzzy bunnies found at the pet store. They are well adapted to the wild, strong runners, and clever survivors. They are definitely untamable. In the summer months, Arctic hares are usually brown and gray, and they shed their fur when the temperature warms up.
The beluga whale is an incredibly sociable and intelligent mammal that inhabits the Arctic and subarctic regions of the ocean. These whales usually grow 13 to 16.5 feet long. Beluga whales travel in groups called pods of around 2 to 10 individuals. Belugas have a muscular, all-white body and a rounded head. They are covered with a thick layer of blubber that can account for as much as 40% of their body mass. The fat keeps them warm and stores energy. Their average weight is 3,000 pounds. Unlike other whales, they are able to move their head up and down and side to side.
Narwhals are an animal of misinformation and mystery, dating back to the Middle Ages when their tusks were fobbed off to royalty as unicorn horns. Is it used to impale their prey? No. Narwhals can dive more than a half-mile down to the ocean floor to feast on cod, squid, and cuttlefish. No stabbing or goring required. Is it used to poke around on that dark ocean floor? Possible, but improbable. Narwhals, like their dolphin cousins, use sonar to guide them through the depths. The tusk is jam-packed with nerve endings. Some scientists argue it acts as some kind of sensor. That would be one insightful incisor. But it's the males who predominantly sport the tusks. If the tusks had a survival advantage, the females would also be long in the tooth. Some scientists believe this means the tusk serves the same function as a deer's antlers or a teenager's hot rod, a way to show who's the fittest male around. Males occasionally cross swords. That's tickling the ivories. But whether it's a joust or a jaw session is anybody's guess. And the narwhals aren't telling.